Who are you looking for? Go. I'll help you. Can you open that door by yourself?
It's locked.
What's that?
I found my moon.
You found your moon? Where is it?
It's outside.
Is it?
Yeah.
Do you see it up there?
Daddy.
It's outside.
It's outside?
Yes.
My goodness.
You got put right in the flowers.
You gotta put what in the flowers?
The water.
Water? No, we don't have to put water in those flowers. These aren't real.
These?
Those. Can I touch them? They're not real. They're fake.
Okay.
They're plastic.
What
Plastic.
are those?
Those are berries.
Hey, look at that.
You want to get what?
A duck.
You want to get a duck?
Yeah.
What?
Where's a duck?
In a door?
A duck is in the door?
Yes.
Huh?
Which door?
That door?
Oh, somebody got him one out one time.
I understand. Jump. Oh my goodness.
Oh, that would be a duck.
A duck. That's ridiculous.
Who gave him a duck from there?
I don't know.
He remembers it though.
That's a big duck.
What do you tell Daddy?
Please.
Or thank you.